Hi everybody, this is Jasmine from A Notch Higher Living YouTube channel. Thank you for coming. And you know what I usually forget? I forget to ask you to share, like, or subscribe. So I'm gonna do that in the beginning so I won't forget. This is day 14 of the Living Healthy Focus First Challenge. Yes, it's 14 days into the new year. I finished Focus fourth in the previous year. Now this is Focus First. What it is a challenge to myself and anyone who wants to, for the first quarter of the year, January the 1st through April the 30th, have a consistent routine and focus on something that you can do consistently until the 30th of the month of April. One thing that I wanted to do differently, this channel is designed to create spaces and environments and to create and cultivate spaces and environments where healthy relationship skills are learned, developed, practiced, and thrive, or have the opportunity to do that. So one thing I wanted to do on this 14th day is to share what I learned, what I developed, what I am practicing, and what I am ultimately looking to thrive in. This week, I did something completely different. I was up at 6 a.m. I was up before then, but I was up at 6 a.m. on accountability calls with Breathe University. That's with Eric Thomas's company. I cannot express in full detail, only other than this has been such an amazing experience, and getting up and getting on a live call with over 100 people who are still on that live call with you, and people talking about what they want to do for the quarter. They're talking about their goals. They're talking about what they're looking to do and change and become for themselves. I have never been in a community like this at all whatsoever, in the regards and the sense that people want to be there. People show up. People are very helpful for themselves or to themselves, but for other people as well. I'm really excited. I'm going to be in this community. I'm just going to stay in the community. How about that? So what I learned is that in order for me to be in a space that's created for healthy relationship skills, I need to place myself in spaces that I may or may not know someone. What I'm developing is my, I want to say my confidence. Yes, my confidence in being able to show up in who I am and show up how I've been designed. What I'm practicing is showing up more. I entered a show up and shine challenge. It's going to be for the next 21 days to the end of the month. And I actually won. I haven't shared with anyone because one thing I've learned about myself, I'm developing about myself, and I'm practicing about myself, I am very energetic. And I use a lot of energy when I speak. Maybe you can't tell right now, but what I'm saying is there's a lot of energy that I come up with. But in order for me to thrive, what I'm learning is that I have to change and dial down my external exuberance, and I have to use that energy in order for me to execute and finish what I'm intending to complete. So it was different for me, but at the same time, I needed to move in a way. So I'm practicing how to move in a way that keeps Jasmine grounded, keeps me level to the playing field, because there is a scene in Love and Basketball that I often think about for me. And it was a scene where the coach left her with her hand up and she was just like, all right. And that is what I remind myself until I will accept and celebrate my wins. So I'm not minimizing that. What I'm saying is that I'm learning, and I've learned how to conserve my energy and place it in the ways that need to be at that time. So thriving, it's only the 14th day in the month, but I have posted 4 times on my IG Live, which I don't post really much, really all that much. And then I am in spaces where I I'm allowing myself to be. That's what I'm doing. So on this 14th day, what I challenge you for this next week coming up is for you to see what you can learn, what you can develop, what you can practice, and what you can thrive as you go through the challenge for yourself. So again, I won't forget. So please comment. You can like and subscribe. Share it with someone if you want. But what I am going to be very conscious of and honor the fact that if you don't share with anybody, it's okay. Because guess what? You are good enough. You are valuable. This is for you. And maybe that's what I will take back. You don't have to share with anyone. I pray and I hope that you will share it with yourself and that you will live it for yourself so that you can see it for yourself and others can see like, hey, what's going on with you? Tell me. And then that's when you can share it. So yeah, that's a little bit different. And I like that version. So I want you to be in a special space and create a special place for you, for yourself, and for your mind, your will, your emotions, your spirit, everything that's about you, that you would look at yourself and say, thank you for being you. And the areas that we need to adjust and tweak, be kind to yourself and say, thank you for being you. You know what? That part of you, we're going to need to change. And I know you may not know how to. That's fine. We'll figure it out. But I'm going to stick with you. You are not forgotten. You're not alone. And keep moving. So until next time on day 21, have the most amazing day. Continue to be you. All right. Bye.